In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom-related lists in Zoho CRM. If you've been looking to customize your CRM setup in a way that suits your specific business needs, then you're in the right place. We'll go through the steps to create an extension and customize this integrated workspace. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. So let's get started. First, we kick off by heading over to Zoho Developer. This is where you'll be building your extensions. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Developer platform. A quick search can get you there, or even easier, you can type in the URL directly if you've navigated there before. Once you've reached the Zoho Developer homepage, spot the button that says Start Building and click on it. This will guide you towards setting up a new project where you can customize your CRM's interface and functionalities. As you move to the next page, look for any existing drafts you might have. If there's any, go ahead and select it. This would usually be under a section labeled Drafts. If you don't have any drafts, that's perfectly fine. You can proceed to create a new extension. Clicking on New Extension is your next step, a crucial one too, as this is essentially the starting point of your custom journey. Upon starting a new extension, you'll be prompted to give it a name. This name will help you identify your creation easily in the list of extensions, so make it specific and relevant to what you want this extension to accomplish. Do the same with the description. Be sure to provide concise yet informative details about what this custom-related list will achieve and how it will enhance your CRM's functionality. Next, you'll have to choose the service you want this application to integrate with. For our purposes today, we'll be integrating with Zoho CRM. So when you see the option for service, go ahead and select Zoho CRM. This ensures your custom list will be directly linked and operational within your CRM. Moving forward, it's important to read through the terms and conditions. This might seem tedious, but understanding the scope and the rules will ensure compliance and smooth integration. Once you're ready, tick the I agree to the terms and conditions box. With everything filled out and agreements checked, the final step in this process is to click on Create. This will initialize the building of your custom extension. At this point, everything you've configured starts coming together, preparing your customized list for future use. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the essential pathway to create custom-related lists in Zoho CRM. Remember, customization is all about making the tools work for you. So take advantage of this newfound skill to tailor your CRM specifically to your business needs. Stick around for more tips and step-by-step guides on getting the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing your CRM flourish with these new customizations.